back to my channel Phil Green. Hope you all are doing good. This time I am visiting to another beautiful place, that is Coorg, which is also known as Scotland of India. So Coorg is basically around 250 kilometers away from Bangalore, and it takes nearly 5 to 6 hours to reach over there. Honestly speaking, it's been quite a few hectic weeks for me, so we're simply going to chill over there. It's 9:30 a.m. We stopped at a place called Vaishali to have breakfast. Actually, this place is suggested by our driver, and it's well known for its traditional South Indian cuisine. Let's check it out. So I am at Dubare Elephant Camp right now. It's quite near to Madikeri, around 30 kilometers from the main city. So this camp is situated on the banks of river Kaveri. You can enjoy various activities like bathing elephants, feeding them, and you can go for elephant rides. Even you can do river rafting as well. So I'm planning to go for river rafting right now. So after that I will go for elephant camp.
मोबाइल के
So now we are at a place named Raja Seat. We came here to enjoy the view of sunset, and the view was amazing, and this place is well maintained and you can have a view of whole Coorg from here. Guys, we are in Omkareshwara temple in Madikeri right now. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, and it is one of the most religious destinations in Coorg. The Shivalingam inside the temple is brought from Kashi, Benares. came at Abbe Falls, which is very near from Madikeri. So this is one of the most visited waterfalls in Karnataka. You need to take some steps to reach down to the waterfalls. The sound of the waterfalls can be heard even from the outside. So if you're in Madikeri, this place is a must visit one. Coorg is famous for its coffee plantations. So now we are at a coffee processing center. 60% of coffee is delivered through the India from Coorg. In this center, various kinds of raw coffees are being processed to end products, and these are being sent to various parts of India. The colorful sceneries, misty mountains, cascading waterfalls, coffee and spice plantation made this place a paradise for nature lovers. So we had a wonderful time in Coorg. Thank you for watching.